Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is the original Osmo Action. So the reason why I'm showing you this is because I broke the cage, so I had to purchase a new one. And here's the new one. This is the PGY Tech cage for the Osmo Action. So let's see what we got in the box here. Alright, so we have some instructions, some stickers, and here's our cage. It's nice and sturdy looking. It's a little different than my old cage. See how it is. So back door comes off like that. Take the Osmo Action, just drop it in like so, and then put your cover back on the back. There you go. It's the cage for the Osmo Action, made by PGY Tech. Another thing, has an opening right here for your slots, so you can put your door back on if you need to, or just leave it off like I do. You can plug in your cables, your SD card. So there it is, the new cage with Osmo Action. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification button. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one.